How to fix Deepseek the server busy problem? Please try again later. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the server is busy. Please try again later error on Deepseek. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Recently, Deepseek has been gaining a lot of attention and its performance is comparable to ChatGPT. But many users have reported the server is busy error usually caused by high traffic or other external issues. Here are a few ways to fix or avoid the problem. First, try disabling the online search feature. Deepseek's built-in database only goes up to December 2023, so if you don't need the latest info, turning off online search can help reduce errors. Second, avoid sending too many questions in a short time. If you've already used Deepseek multiple times, the server might temporarily restrict you. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again later. Third, avoid using it during peak hours. Try logging in early in the morning or late at night when server load is lower. Lastly, you may need to wait for Deepseek to fully resolve their server issues, especially if they're dealing with high demand or external attacks. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. That's all for the video and see you in the next one.